First go to Settings. Find System. Select Date and Time. Check if Automatic Date and Time is enabled. Check if your automatic time zone is enabled. If that didn't work, go back to Settings. Open Apps. Locate the Google Play Store. Click on Storage. Press Clear Cache. Press Clear Storage. Warning: this will delete settings, accounts and databases. Press OK. Now restart. If that didn't work, go back to Settings. Open Accounts. Select your Google account. Press Remove Account. Press Remove Account. Now open the Google Play Store. Sign into your account. Now download your app. Go back to Settings. Go to Apps. Click on the little dots. Select Show System. Locate the Downloads Manager service. Click on Download Manager. Click on Storage. Click on Clear Cache. Click on Clear Storage. Read the warning and then press OK. Now try to install your app.